So check it out. I just got $100 bill, right? And I went to get a haircut, $35. Came to Duffy's, picked me up something to eat. Came out to be $15. So what we sitting at right now? 35, 15, that's 50 out of $100. If I try to buy some gas or something like that, that $100 is gone. $100 ain't nothing to run through nowadays. It's crazy, man. It's crazy how the economy is going nowadays. Let me know how fast you guys spend $100, because it ain't nothing to, once you break $100 these days, it's pretty much gone. And that's actually kind of sad when you think about all the people that's working minimum wages. Hell, even us, it's hard on us sometimes, man. And we not working minimum wages. Just comment below and let me know. Appreciate y'all for watching my videos.